If you're listening to this, you may be sitting in a waiting room, or perhaps on your way to a dental appointment. For the next few minutes, nothing needs to happen except breathing. Bring your attention gently to your breath. Notice the air moving in and moving out. There is no perfect way to breathe. Simply notice. If your body feels tense, allow yourself to notice that. There is no need to judge it, no need to push it away. Your body is simply responding to something that feels important. Bring awareness to your feet. Notice them resting on the floor. Feel the support beneath you. You are here right now. Notice your shoulders. Without forcing, allow them to soften a little. Notice your hands. If they're holding tension, see if you can let your fingers rest. Take a slow breath in and a longer breath out. Breathing out. Let the exhale become your place of rest. There may be sounds around you, voices, doors opening, dental equipment. those sounds to exist without needing to react to them. They are simply part of this moment. You do not have to predict how today's appointment will unfold. You only need this breath, then the next. Notice the chair supporting you. Notice the floor beneath your feet. Notice your breath continuing on its own. There is more steadiness within you than you may realize. Take another slow breath in and a long breath out. Allow your jaw to soften, not wide, just enough to let go of unnecessary tension. As your appointment begins, you can return to your breathing whenever you need it. One breath, one moment, one step at a time. Will always be here, lifting you to the stars.